In this video, we go over how to connect to Eduroam while on campus at SCU. Why Eduroam, you ask? Because to use your MySCU Portal apps, which includes your Google Workspace, Camino, and printing, you will need to connect to the Eduroam wireless network, which requires antivirus, and ClearPass OnGuard, which verifies you have an antivirus app and a current operating system. Let's get into it. In the lower right-hand corner, pull up the list of Wi-Fi networks and select Eduroam. Use your SCU email address and MySCU Portal password. Press Connect when prompted. Now that we're connected, we'll start with installing antivirus. Open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/technology. Search SentinelOne and click the first option. Scroll to the bottom of this page for personal computer downloads. Do not download the Campus Computers option because this includes additional monitoring features meant for SCU computers only. When the download finishes, extract the files, open the Windows folder, and right-click the install.bat file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted and stand by for the install to finish. Here the install window did not close, but SentinelOne appeared to be installed and online, so I'll just do a quick restart for good measure. After the restart, we have our SentinelOne antivirus, and now we need ClearPass OnGuard. Open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/OnGuard. Click on the version compatible with your system. OnGuard is an app that will verify you have antivirus and an up-to-date operating system on your notebook. When the download is complete, launch the installer and click Yes if prompted and proceed through the installation prompts. If the OnGuard window does not appear, find it in the lower right-hand corner and double-click the OnGuard icon to view its status. Once you receive the healthy green shield status, you are good to go. For the last test, open Chrome and navigate to scu.edu/login to confirm you can log in to MySCU Portal and access your apps.